Hello children, how are you all? We hope that you are all safe and fine at home. Today's maths class, we are going to see comparing numbers. We are going to see how to compare the numbers using sign. This is equal to sign. Less than sign and greater than sign. With the objects we are going to compare. Now you can see some objects. In the left side we got 3 cats and in the right side we got 3 cats. So we got equal number of cats on both the sides. So 3 equal to 3. Here you can see the sign. This is said to be smaller than sign. It is also called as less than sign. This less than sign you can remember with the English alphabet L. With the objects we are going to compare. Left side we got 3 cats. And in the right side we got 9 cats. So we are going to compare. How to compare? Yes, 3 less than 9. Now greater than sign. This is opposite to the less than sign. Here you can see the greater than sign. It is called as greater than sign. It is also called as more than sign. Here with the objects we are going to compare. Left side we got 9 cats. And the right side we got 3 cats. So how to compare? 9 is greater than 3. So we are going to compare with the numbers. Now less than sign. How to remember? Have you all seen a crocodile? Yes, you can see the crocodile mouth is like this. Why the crocodile is facing to the right side? This is the greater than sign. Now the crocodile is turning to the left. Why it is turned towards the left side? Yes, we can see now why. You can see the deer is standing in the right. So the crocodile turns towards the right and catch the deer. So it wants only the bigger object. Now you can see the deer is standing in the left. So the crocodile turned towards the left and catch the deer. So the crocodile will open its mouth only to the bigger object. Now we compare 2-digit numbers. Here you can see ones and tens place. Here equal to sign, greater than sign and less than sign. Here you got a number. What number? 18. There also we got 18. We are going to compare the two numbers. Here also 18 and there also 18. So it is equal. Good. Now we are going to the next number. Here we got 26. And there we got 29. Here we are going to compare the first tens place. There also 2, here also 2. So we are jumping to the ones place. Yes, here we got 6 and there we got 9. So which is the greater number? 6 or 9? Yes, 9 is the greater number. So the crocodile mouth open towards the greater number. 29. 26 is less than 29. Now to the next number we got 87. And here we got 41. We are going to compare the first tens place. Here we got 8 and there we got 4. So which is the greater number, cuties? 8 is greater or 4 is greater? Compare the number and tell me, cuties. Think whether 8 is greater or 4 is greater. Yes, 8 is greater. So the crocodile mouth opens towards the number 87. 87 is greater than 41. Okay, cuties, now we are going to compare different number of digits. Here we got 126 and there we got only 92. Here we got 3-digit number. Yes, we got 3 digits here. There we got only 2 digits. Yes. So it is easy to compare. 3 digit is greater or 2 digit is greater? Yes. Which is greater? Yes, 3 digit is greater. So 126 is greater than 92. Okay, cuties, now we are going to compare the numbers with the tens place. Here we got some numbers. 124, 138. First we are comparing the hundreds place. Yes, we got 1 in the hundreds place. Here also 1, there also 1. So we are jumping to the next place, tens place. Here we got 2 and there we got 3. So we are comparing the numbers 2 and 3. Now which is the greater number? Yes, 3. So the crocodile mouths open towards the greater number 138. Next we got 156. 120. In the first place, in the hundreds place we got 1 and there also 1. So we are going to the next place, 5. Tens place we got 5. And there in the tens place we got 2. So which is the greater number? 5 or 2? Yes, 5 is the greater number. So the crocodile mouths open towards the greater number, 156. The next number we got 107. And 119. Here in the hundreds place we got 1. In the next number also 1. So we are jumping to the tens place. There are 0 and there 1. So which is the greater number, 0 or 1? Yes, 1 is the greater number. So the crocodile mouths open towards the greater number 119. Now cuties, we are going to compare with the ones place. Here are some numbers 115 and 110. You can observe cuties, first 2 digits are same in both the given numbers. So we are moving to the ones place. We got 5 here and there we got 0. Now compare the digits and tell me which is greater. Yes, 5 is greater. So 115 is greater than 110. Now 139. The next is 134. Here also you can see the first 2 digits are same in both the given numbers. So we are moving to the ones place. Here 9 and there 4. Now compare the digits. 9 is greater or 4 is greater? Yes, 9 is greater. So 139 is greater. In the next number 146 and 149. As the same, the first 2 digits are same. So in the ones place we got 6 and 9. Now compare the digits 6 and 9. Which is greater? Yes, 9 is greater. So 149 is greater. Okay cuties, today's follow up. You can practice these 2 sums in your note. And you can do the page number 17, exercise 1C, question numbers 1, 2 and 3. Okay cuties, stay home, stay safe.